Hi everyone, this is Grace from Sprinkle of Sesame. Today I would like to share with you a super simple breakfast recipe that takes just 5 minutes to make from start to finish. I like keeping breakfast simple most mornings, but I also like to start the day right. That's when this balanced breakfast recipe comes to the rescue. I am calling this recipe Fluffy Eggs because, well, the eggs are fluffy. The texture of the egg is similar to an omelet, and you can also add various toppings to it like an omelet. But unlike an omelet that can take a while to cook on the stove, this recipe is super quick because you cook it in a microwave. So let's get cooking! Okay, so the first step in making the fluffy eggs is to break in 2 eggs into a microwave-safe bowl. 1, 2. Then you can add various toppings to the eggs. So I like adding some shredded cheese. You can use any type of cheese you would like. And I'm also adding a pinch of salt. And some veggies. I have some spinach leaves. I have about 5 leaves that I'm going to use. And I'm going to roughly chop. Does not have to be finely chopped, unless that's how you like it. Okay. And the spinach in to the bowl. And then I'm using about 6 cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to cut them in half. And also add these tomatoes to the eggs. And last but not least, we're going to add some liquid to the bowl. I'm using milk just because it tastes a little bit more rich, but you can use water or any type of liquid that you would like oat milk or almond milk. That'll all be fine. So I am using a 1/4 cup of milk, and then you just need to stir all of this together. Just mix it all together. Okay. Next, microwave the eggs for 3 minutes. If you are just using eggs or eggs and cheese only, you need to microwave it for 2 minutes instead of 3. Okay. It's ready. Now I'm going to grab it with a towel. Oh my gosh, look how pretty it is. I'll show you what this looks like. Okay, so now this is the exciting part. I get to try the yummy eggs. Okay, here we go. It is so delicious. I just love it. It is so cheesy and there's so many yummy veggies. I love eating this egg. Thanks for watching this recipe. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.